If you own a smartphone, you probably know how important it is to protect your screen from scratches, cracks, and other damage. But do you know why you need a screen protector and what are the benefits of using one? In this article, we will explain why a screen protector is a must-have accessory for your phone and introduce you to one of the best products on the market, the Allen Glass Screen Protector for your smartphones. A screen protector is a thin layer of material that covers your phone's screen and shields it from external factors. There are different types of screen protectors, such as plastic, tempered glass, or nano-liquid, but they all have some common advantages. They reduce eye strain by filtering out harmful blue light and reducing glare and reflections. They protect against dirt accumulation by repelling dust, water, and oil from your fingers. Some screen protectors also have antimicrobial properties that kill bacteria on the screen. They provide privacy by preventing others from seeing your screen from different angles. This is especially useful when you are browsing sensitive information or using mobile banking apps. They protect from wear and tear by preventing scratches and cracks from keys, coins, or other objects in your pocket or bag. While most modern phones have scratch-resistant glass, they are not scratch-proof and can still be damaged by harder materials like sand or quartz. They enhance the look and feel of your phone by adding a smooth and glossy finish to your screen. Some screen protectors also have special features like anti-fingerprint, anti-bubble, or anti-shatter. One of the best screen protectors you can buy for your smartphone is the Allen Glass Screen Protector. This product has many outstanding features that make it superior to other screen protectors. It is made of high-quality tempered glass that is 9H hardness rated, which means it can resist scratches from knives, keys, or other sharp objects. It has a 99.99% transparency that preserves the original brightness and color of your screen. It has a 0.33 mm thickness that ensures high responsiveness and compatibility with Touch ID and Face ID. It has a 2.5D curved edge design that fits perfectly with your phone's screen and prevents chipping or peeling off. It has an oleophobic coating that prevents fingerprints, smudges, and stains from sticking to your screen. It comes with a lifetime warranty that guarantees free replacement or refunds if you encounter any quality issues. It comes with a 3-pack set that gives you extra backup in case you need to replace your screen protector. It comes with an easy installation kit that includes wet wipes, dry wipes, dust removal stickers, and a guide sticker to help you apply the screen protector without bubbles or dust. As you can see, a screen protector is not only a protective accessory but also a smart investment for your phone. By using a screen protector, you can extend the lifespan of your phone's screen, improve your viewing experience, and save money on repairs or replacements. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable screen protector for your smartphone, we highly recommend the Allen Glass Screen Protector. The following are some customer feedback and reviews about Allen Glass Screen Protector for iPhone 12 users. For more information, or you can buy it from this, links will be posted in the description.